What's the meaning of alimony? Alimony. 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 Alimony.
Alimony is a legal obligation that one person has to provide financial support to their ex-spouse after a divorce or separation. The purpose of alimony is to ensure that the lower-earning spouse is not left in financial hardship after the end of the marriage. The amount and duration of alimony payments are usually determined by court order, and can vary depending on factors such as the length of the marriage, the income and earning potential of each spouse, and the standard of living during the marriage.